The 2011 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, floor mats, cruise control, 60/40 split rear bench seat, rear defroster, FWD, intermittent wipers, side curtain airbag, remote keyless entry, carpeted floor mats, console, body color door handles, tinted glass, 5-speed manual transmission, rear seat heat ducts, tire pressure monitoring system, 4-piece floor mat set. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.